governorship election wey dey shele for Ondo State. Today wey be Saturday, October 10, 2020, TMC TV news crew don carry waka enter the state to come shook better eye put on top the electoral process, starting from the voting proper, go collation and announcement of result. Where we dey so na Ward 5 Unit 6 for Ijebu 2, our local government area. And na here be the polling unit of candidate of All Progressive Congress and Governor of Ondo State, Oluwarotimi Akeredolu. If you now look my back, now go see say some of the electoral officers don't already begin accreditation of voters, and even voting proper don't already start. May we quick ask some of the voters how body they do them on top the election matter.
In the next few minutes now, they will call me for the accreditation and I will cast my vote. So many people like that, we are all here to cast our vote. But now there's no any problem, no wahala. People there with their face mask, they are even casting their vote for their with the candidate of their choice.
There's no problem. Everywhere, so peaceful, so calm. Everybody conduct itself very well. So we thank God that the rain wanted to stop. We thank God that the rain has stopped now. So the vote is going smoothly. So the rain don't go. So the environment when we vote, no problem. Everywhere they very peaceful.
Looking at to monitor what thing they happen, how it happen, whether the thing where we say it will happen should happen the way we want it to happen. And as things be now, we are very happy that it will work as it is planned. Nigerians are coming out. The media, you people are here. The party agents are here. The security is here, and all of them they respect the social distance thing where we agree say should happen for election to take place. And I think we they happy for INEC, and we encourage Nigerians to maintain the mood now, so that at the end everybody go happy as Nigerians, and we go happy say our vote don't count.
Getting get level. Ah, you don't worry. Getting kawa. Opio.
Go to the other side. Go to the other side. You're on camera. Go to the other side.
Why you they do as
Why they act like this?
Oh, don't worry, what of this? I'm coming up.
APO3. Please watch the ballot box.
Carry your lens, carry your lens.
I know that the shower had the water lock, but they have created area for us to maneuver. And I think we have voted confident about winning this election. I've always, you know me very well, I've always said to you that mine is about God, and that God will give me victory.
Still on top the governorship election wey dey shele for Ondo State, TMC TV news crew don comot for Owo, carry waka enter Akure, wey be the state capital. Where we dey so na Ward 4 Unit 17 for Ijapo Estate. May we quick follow one of the domestic election observers yarn on top how he don take see the election wey dey shele for Ondo.
Since morning, you know say today na special day, 10/10/2020. Historical day, na be today o. So far, everything dey okay.
As you fit see, people wey don vote, they don't want to go out, so they want to sit down and know the result. And we don't dey comot, but they ask them how many people don vote. They carry that they work. So when we ask them how many people don't vote, they will tell us. So we know the projection. You too, if you ask them how many people don't vote, they will tell you. So when they want can't vote, we know say if 300 votes, you know we count 301. So, but so far has been peaceful. Our people really want to perform their duty as citizens, and there is no fight. Working no day market again, no. Nobody want to die for anybody. Everybody is at peace. The majority of the people there, you can see they are young people. And the Akure is a busy town today because people are coming out to vote. That is the truth. So please, we beg you now, continue to monitor. But we sure say that vote must count, and their vote will count.
This is Obaile Ward 9, Akure North. So about the election going on, the election they go very well, no problem. This Unit 6, everywhere was peaceful. The only thing that is happening is that we say we don't capture everybody. They say some party they share money. Well, SSS don't carry them. SSS don't carry them go. Now the team with that, but God don't. But no fight, no anything.
I'm a party agent for Senate Labour. Everything is going well, no problem.